Hello everyone, welcome back to Confident English Lab. Today we will do a short shadowing practice, something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 minutes between work. You can do this while walking or even before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just speak with me. Let's begin. I'm feeling pretty good today. Not gonna lie, it's been a long day. But honestly, I'm glad I'm here practicing English with you. Every time you practice, you get a little better, even if it doesn't feel like it. So tell me, how's your day been? Yeah, same here. Busy, hectic, lots going on. Sometimes life just doesn't slow down. I've been trying to stay positive, trying not to stress too much. Some days are chill, and some days are just a mess. That's life, right? Take it easy, no rush. Just speak along with me. I woke up this morning feeling kinda tired. Didn't really feel like getting out of bed. But I thought, come on, let's get on with it. You can't just stay stuck forever. I grabbed a coffee, checked my phone, and got ready for the day. Nothing fancy, just the usual stuff. What about you? Did you have breakfast today? Or did you skip it like most people do? Yeah, happens all the time. Lately, I've been super busy with work. Feels like there's always something to do. Emails, messages, calls, and not enough time to chill. Honestly, I could really use a break. Just want to relax, switch off my brain, and do nothing for a bit. But hey, we keep going. That's how it is. Sometimes I think about how far I've come. And yeah, I'm not where I want to be yet. But I'm definitely not where I started. That's progress. So if you ever feel stuck, remember this. You're improving every single day, even when you don't notice it. All right, let's keep moving. What's up? What have you been up to lately? Just working, studying, trying to sort things out. Same here. The weather's been all over the place. One day it's boiling hot. The next day it's freezing. Can't really trust it anymore. If you're in the US, you know how crazy the weather can be. And if you're in the UK, well, it's probably raining again. Fancy a cup of tea? Or maybe coffee? Yeah, that sounds good. Sometimes it's the small things that make a difference. A good drink, a short walk, a nice chat. By the way, your pronunciation is getting better. I know you might not believe it, but trust me, it is. Just keep copying the sounds. Don't translate in your head. Just listen and repeat. All right, listen carefully and speak. I didn't really plan much for today. Just going with the flow. Sometimes that's the best plan. I was thinking about watching a movie later. Nothing too serious. Just something fun, maybe a bit silly. That movie last night was pretty dope, by the way. Not perfect, but still enjoyable. I'd watch it again, not gonna lie. Have you seen anything good recently? Or have you been scrolling forever, not knowing what to watch? Yeah, happens to me too. Let's be honest, life can be overwhelming sometimes. Too many choices, too much noise, too much pressure. That's why moments like this matter. Just slowing down, just speaking, just practicing. You're doing great. All right, let's speed it up a little. I'm down for trying new things, even if they feel uncomfortable at first. That's how confidence grows. Back in the day, I was scared to speak English too. Worried about sounding stupid. Worried about messing up. But you know what? Most people don't care. They're too busy thinking about themselves. So just speak. If you mess up, laugh it off and keep going. No big deal. Sometimes people act a bit weird. Sometimes things get awkward. It's all part of the game. Don't take it personally. You all right, mate? Yeah, I'm good. Cheers. Just a bit knackered today. Long week. Loads of work. Not enough rest. But we move on. Let's pop out later, yeah? Get some fresh air. Clear your head. Sounds like a plan. By the way, if someone's taking the mick, just smile and carry on. Life's too short to stress over small stuff. All right, focus again. Listen, repeat. Feel the rhythm. I'm just trying to improve my English, speak more naturally, sound more confident, and talk like native speakers. I know it takes time, but I'm patient, and I'm consistent. Every day, just a little practice. Some days I feel motivated. Some days I really don't, but I still show up. That's the key. You don't need motivation every day. You need a habit. And right now, this is your habit. So keep going. We're almost there. Take another deep breath. Relax your jaw. Speak clearly. You're doing better than you think. Your accent is improving. Your confidence is growing. Just keep showing up. All right, let's finish strong. I'm proud of myself for practicing today, and you should be proud too. Not everyone puts in the effort. You did. So yeah, that's it for today. Come back tomorrow. Practice again, grow again. Thank you so much for listening to Confident English Lab. Keep learning and keep practicing. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment the word English. See you in the next video.